It's been a little while since we've done a Traveling Wilburys song, so let's check out Tweeter and the Monkey Man. As the song starts off, we hear this riff, and that's followed by almost the exact same riff. Just has that open sixth string to begin, right? Later on, that riff comes back, I think after the first chorus, and it goes like this, a little variation. Okay? Now, later in the tune, we hear that riff followed by a couple of easy chords. Sounds like this. D major, A minor. Easy, right? Okay, so now let's get into strumming the verse and the chorus, but stick around because I'll show you how to do it with a capo with a different set of chords. It might make it even a little bit easier. And with a capo on, I'll show you how to modify the riff you just learned so that you can play it with a capo on. All right, so here it comes without a capo in the original key. The chords you need for the entire tune without a capo are A minor, G with your middle ring and pinky, definitely learn it that way, F. If you have any problems with the F chord, I made a video just for you. Check out the description to this video. There's a video, link to a video I made helping you with the F chord. Give you lots of options, but I like my 5-string 4-finger F chord. You'll also need a D major chord, and I think that's it. E minor. So A minor, G, F, D, and E minor. Yeah, there we go. Now the strumming. Nice light down-up strumming. Remember on the upstrokes, maybe glance off just a few of the strings. Don't try to get lots of strings on the way up. Also, you'll notice that my left hand is often changing chords a little prematurely so I can get to the next chord in time. That's normal, it's natural, and it helps keep the flow going. Okay, so check this out. A minor, G, F, you can see the chords on the screen there. Every time you see a chord name, it means this much strumming. Down, up, 4 down ups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, very light, loose grip on the pick. With the words, the verse sounds like this. Peter and the monkey man, the hard cat, stayed up all night, selling cocaine and hash to an undercover cop who had a sister named Jane. For reasons unexplained, they loved the monkey man. My right hand is on autopilot. I'm not even thinking about my right hand. All my attention is making the chord changes for the left hand, okay? That's the verse. That whole thing repeats again, over and over and over again, okay? A minor, G, F, back to A minor. Now remember, you have the A minor chords as bookends. So you do the 4 down-ups on one A minor, and then you do it on the A minor at the end too, so it ends up being 8 down-ups in the A minor. Does that make sense? Okay, so that's the verse of the tune. Now, if that F chord scares you, that's why in the next clip I'm going to show you how to play it with a capo on, and we'll avoid the F chord. Nothing wrong with that, okay? That's why the capo was invented. All right, so the chorus, still in the A minor, but we're going to spend a little more time on each chord. 2, 3, and the walls came down. E minor, all the way down. Never saw. Remember, every time you see a chord name on the screen, it means 4 down-ups, right? Did you notice when I went from A minor to E minor, I just moved my middle and ring over like that? See that? Just move my middle and ring over. That's the best way to do E minor for this song. Okay, very natural. All right, so that's the tune. Obviously, great tune from a great album. You can see this is basically a Bob Dylan tune, right? And for some curious reason, the lyrics of this tune are filled with the references to Bruce Springsteen songs. All over the place, everything from Thunder Road, State Trooper, even all over the place. Very interesting. Hey, why not write a song based on Bruce Springsteen references? You got a better idea? Why not? Okay, so now grab your capo. I'll show you how you can play this with a capo. I think we're going to put it at the 5th fret. Here it comes. Hey, before I forget, if you want to practice your lead guitar playing, leave the capo off and use the A minor pentatonic scale. Practice it with down-up picking to get warmed up. 6th string, 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 8. practice it ascending and descending, and then use it to improvise with the tune. Now, capo on 5th fret. We're going to be in the same key, but thanks to the capo, we have a different set of chords. No F chord. We need E minor, D, C. Later on, a B minor will show up. Index finger, 1st string, 2nd fret. Middle finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret. Pinky, 3rd string, 4th fret. Ring finger, 4th string, 4th fret. There's your B minor. And you need an A major. Okay? Stick around because I'll strum through those chords for you, but we'll also talk about that cool intro riff that repeats throughout the tune, how you can do that with a capo on too. Okay, so the verse with an E minor chord, capo with the 5th fret, 2, 3, 4. Stay there all night. And the chorus, same E minor, and the walls came down. Here comes the B minor, all the way to hell. A major, and the sun was standing there, the sun they fell. Okay, easy, right? And that riff with the capo on, not too hard, slow motion. And the second time you can include the okay, we're just modifying it to be in the right key. It sounds a little high up here, right? Essentially it's an octave higher than how you learned it at the beginning of the tune, that's all. Okay, nice, huh? All right, so one more time on that riff. You answer that back with A and E minor. You recognize that from later on in the tune, right? So now check it out. Even if you're great at the F chord, if someone else is already playing it down here with A minor, G, and F, it sounds great for you to capo up and play these chords. It's very complementary, okay? So don't think of this as necessarily just to avoid the F chord. It's a great way to complement another guitar player. And if you look closely, when you see bands playing on stage, very often you'll see one person capoed and one person not capoed, and their hands appear to be doing different things. It's a nice way for two guitars to kind of mesh together. Hey everybody, you just learned a new tune. Good job. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please check out my website, Songbike, for tons of videos you cannot find on YouTube. And let's do this whole thing again tomorrow with another classic song. I will see you then.